This is really exciting. Australian Off-Road's latest product innovation, and it's part of the Quantum family, which has been around since 2008. Australian Off-Road has been getting some feedback for a while now that people have moved from their canvas experience and they wanted to move into a pop-top experience, and now we're seeing more and more people wanting to move into a hard-top experience. They not only want the hard-top experience, but they also want to still have their outdoor cooking experience so that when they're travelling, all their living is done outside. This new Quantum provides all of that and more.
The Quantum Full Height is a 14-foot luxury camper that features all the comforts of the award-winning Quantum series, but now the full height features. The body of the Quantum Full Height adopts our proven manufacturing technique of fiberglass monocoque body. This updated body design increases strength and stiffness, reduces the tear weight to 1,840 kilos, and guarantees dust proofing like no other trailer on the market. It has a narrow body width, just 1,950mm. That makes it easy access for those remote camp stops and 4x4 tracks. All AOR trailers are fitted with the same independent coil-sprung suspension, but utilising different spring and shock absorber rates for each vehicle. The Quantum Full Height is no different. The Quantum series has always been around external cooking, and the new Quantum Full Height is no different, with a full L-shaped stainless steel external kitchen and generous pantry areas. 3-burner gas stove with glass top for extra bench space, an 82-litre fridge freezer with walled pantry, 5 extra pantry storage areas. Externally, it comes with a spacious 3.9 by 2.2 metre external rollout awning with a full anti-flap kit, interchangeable end walls, and a 2.4 by 4 metre annex matting. Large slide-out storage drawers on the right-hand side, large external front storage area in the nose cone with access from the top and the sides. With the Quantum Full Height, you have plenty of options inside when it comes to the bedding configuration. This one's shown with optional twin single beds with 8-inch inner spring mattresses mounted on an insulated bed base, or you can just go for the standard full-size queen bed. It also comes with a full internal ensuite with hot and cold shower and marine macerator toilet system with a 140-litre capacity black tank, providing you all the creature comforts of home in a stylish European decor. One of the biggest advantages of a full height van is having overhead cupboard storage. You can see here on both sides of the trailer they have complete overhead storage capability. Centrally positioned inside the trailer there is a 4-person dinette, the leg and swing dining table and velour seating throughout. The vertical headboard with shelf above for all your small items, things like phone chargers, magazine storage, and a handy top shelf with both power point and inverter points, USB and 12-volt charging points. Like all the AOR trailers, the Quantum Full Height still comes with the large tinted double glazed side windows with integrated fly screens and privacy blinds, allowing you to allow plenty of natural light and airflow into your trailer.
One of the really impressive things about this trailer is the amount of storage that's given. One of the areas is in the pantry. Have a look at this.
Gas struts on the external pantry and also gas struts on the front boot hatch, all coming standard with this new model.
Now that you've seen everything that the Quantum Hardtop presents, you can really see that it's Australia's most self-sufficient, elegant, full height, outside cooking off-road super camper.